Track meteorologist Ashley Gann. It's going to be a hot one, and we got to watch out for the weather today.
Yeah, absolutely. Hot and humid, and a lot of times when we have high pressure, it kind of sinks down on the atmosphere, and that kind of suppresses things, which keeps that air quality alert in place. So that high pressure, though, does begin to break down starting later today, and then that will help to alleviate some of these issues too. Looking at temperatures this morning, it's going to be a little stickier outside. I noticed a difference when I stepped outside this morning than yesterday morning. It was comfortably cool yesterday. Today, not necessarily so much of the same. It's still pleasant, but I could just tell, I could feel a little bit more moisture in the air. We're going to see temperatures in the lower 90s by noon. It will definitely be more humid for your lunch hour. And then as you drive home later today, feeling the heat, I actually think we'll top out closer to 94, 95 in Birmingham, but we'll slide back to around 93 at 5 p.m. Still hot and humid with feels like temperatures close to 100 today. And that's exactly what I'm tracking for your Friday. The humidity, it's back, and then that sunshine and heat continue for your Saturday. It looks like we'll see much of the same for Sunday, although I will include a stray shower as we round out the weekend. Looking downtown right now, and there we are looking at Children's Hospital and the Barons baseball field. There's Regions. 65 is the current temperature. Winds are calm at this hour. We're looking at temperatures across the board in the 60s for the most part. Exception, two places. Gadsden, Coleman, 59 and 57 respectively. Jasper sitting at 60 with 62 in Hamilton. That ridge of high pressure I was just mentioning, that's the ridge of high pressure that really kind of pushes down on the atmosphere. And with high pressure, that also gives us a clear sky. This high will slide off to the east, and look what happens. This arrow here, it's pointing at the rotation of the atmosphere. So yesterday it was reinforcing drier northerly air, but now since it's shifting off to the east, what it's going to do is start scooping up a bit of that moisture, even stretching all the way from the Atlantic and pulling in some of this Gulf moisture and warmth. That's why we're going to notice a very big difference in air temperatures later today. Dry scan on our radar right now, rolling the clock forward in our futurecast. 9 o'clock temperatures will already be in the lower 80s, and then into the 90s we go overnight tonight. And then tomorrow morning we're back in the 70s with temperatures by tomorrow afternoon, mid 90s yet again. I don't think we're going to see much rain tomorrow, but notice a few spots of showers early Sunday. I think there's a better chance of rain later in the forecast starting next week. I will have an unsettled weather pattern forecasted really Monday through Thursday of next week. And that is a look at your Storm Track 7-day forecast.